In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new GrooveMail sender using the Sendgrid SMTP. So you need to create a Sendgrid account first, and you cannot use your Gmail email for that. So you need to have a domain email or a business email. And if you want to know how to create that, I have a separate video where I explain how to do that with Namecheap. So I'm choosing Sendgrid, and I need to connect now Sendgrid and GrooveMail. So I need to enter an API key here. And to get the API key, I'm going to log into my Sendgrid account. So again, you need to sign up for a Sendgrid account with your business email and not your Gmail address. And now we need to authenticate a domain. So for Groove, we are choosing Cloudflare. This is the domain. And now I need to add these CNAME records into my Groove account. So I'm going to my domains. Then I'm going to the DNS records here and I'm adding all the records. So I'm choosing CNAME. Then I'll just copy that. And now I'm going to update it. Now I can see if it worked. And that means that it worked. So I can see that my domain is verified. And to create your API, you need to go to Settings, then to API Keys, then you create a new API key. And I will name it after my domain. Give it full access and create it. And now we need to go to Groove and create a sender. So I'm going to GrooveMail and I'm going to create a new sender here. So create a new sender. The identity you can put in your website here or just anything that makes it easier for you to recognize it. The sender name is your name. And then you put in your email. This is the branded email, so the email from your domain. I will use that as default email, and I have Sendgrid, and I need to put in the API key that I created here. So I'll copy that and save it. And now I need to put in my company name. I would just put in my name. And you put in here either your business address or a PO box or your home address. And you see that this is not verified yet, so you will receive an email to your email box, and then you need to click on the link and to verify your email address. And now I see verification is successful, and when I refresh that, it should turn to yes. All right. And in the last step, you need to add the webhook to your Sendgrid account. So I will copy this webhook. And now when you go to Sendgrid, you go to the settings and to mail settings. You see that there's an event webhook here. So you just go to this one. You paste in your webhook here. Test your integration. And then I will check bounced, opened, clicked. I also want to see the unsubscribed and spam reports. Now I toggle this to enabled and I save that. So now that GrooveMail and Sendgrid are connected, you can start to use this sender to send out emails, sequences, broadcasts or whole marketing campaigns.